Rihanna? Is that you? Riri? Good girl gone bad? Fenty? Fenty Beauty, is this you? Let's find out. Fenty Beauty emailed me, guys. What? If you know Rihanna's foundation, like for us darker skinned girls, you know it hits. And I was thinking, oh, I get to try her hair products because they are expensive. Yes, I've been waiting for this. Oh, wait. It's not them. It can't be. Who's scamming me today? Can you not do this to me? My heart. I was so excited. I honestly thought Fenty had reached out to me. Yeah, your girl calls by Sharlene. No. That's the email. Hello. No name. Okay. Hi. I hope this message finds you in excellent spirits, right? I am Shakira Austin, the public relations manager at Fenty Beauty. I looked this up. It ain't her. One red flag. Extending a unique and prestigious proposing opportunity. Yes, for you to join our esteemed team as a model influencer for our latest line of products. Acknowledging your keen interest in cosmetics and unique skin color. Have I got a unique skin color? Is it unique? Okay, thanks. I think. And are actively seeking models, influencers of your caliber. I'm a small content creator, as you can see. As a Fenty Beauty model, your collaboration with our team will entail providing invaluable feedback, of course, suggesting enhancements and exerting influence on the development of our products. Yeah, it goes on and on. I could read all this for you. It says free PR. You will receive an array of exclusive benefits. Yeah, these include receiving monthly complimentary packages, an exclusive discount code for our products, and being prominently featured in the promotional activities on our Instagram and website. So every month I'll receive products. This straight away doesn't sound right. Monthly, the minute they say monthly, I'm worried. Ready, I'm like, packages every month for free? Really? Guys, are you for real? That's another red flag. Like, you need to watch out for these. Like, you have to try me out first and see if you like what I produce for your content, and then we can set up a contract like monthly. You know, it's just a bit weird. Then it tells me to follow the link. There's a link there to Instagram.com Fenty Beauty. Now, I'm so scared about clicking links. Don't click any links or PDFs or whatever. You could get a virus through this. It could be hackers. You just don't know. So I never click on these links. Like, send me a picture. If you're going to send me products, tell me to go to Instagram myself and I will look up what this says. But like, sending me the link, I don't know. I don't know if that's Fenty's link. Probably. Should you be intrigued by the prospect of this collaboration, please express your interest. Yeah. We'll provide you with comprehensive details, blah, blah, blah. Before we proceed, we kindly request that you inform us of the social media platforms you're actively engaged with. This all sounds legit. Could it be AI? Definitely. Maybe not, but this is good stuff. Public relations manager. So I responded, thank you. Yes, I've admired Fenty Beauty. Of course, I want to work with you. Tell me how we can move forward. Their response. Okay, I'm not going to read the first bit, but you know, it's all thank you, blah, blah, blah. Breakdown. As part of the Fenty Beauty collaboration, you will have the privilege of posting 5 times per month on Instagram, featuring selected beauty products and makeup looks of your choice. These include 2 posts and 3 reels or videos. So because we're giving you free products, I want 5 in response. Allow us to provide you with a breakdown of the compensation structure for this collaboration. Total compensation for 5 monthly posts is $4,250. Hello? Say what? $4,000? That's $850 per post. real? Saying it needs to be done by the 27th or 28th of every month period to a contract duration. Yeah, fair enough. I don't know why there's two different prices, but Instagram, apparently the monthly total is $4,250 US as per Instagram, or $4,750 US per TikTok, which will be disbursed upon the creation and publication of the 5 monthly posts or reels. Okay, yeah. Hold on though. Before proceeding, note that timely responses are essential for completing necessary paperwork. Oh, so they're rushing me. You need to do this now. Like, why are you rushing me? I need to read this properly, right? If you are legit, you're not going to be rushing me into doing this. Like, there's so many spots we got to fill. You know, that kind of scam. To scam me, I know. If the proposed terms, conditions, and compensation structure meet your expectations, I'll send you the contract, basically. Straight away, I was like, are you a scammer? This is so sad. I actually thought you were Fenty. Then they respond so quick. It's like, this can't be Fenty. Over the weekend as well, like a Sunday. Come on, you're not going to reply that quick on a Sunday. Hello, this is not a scam. Note, we are not compelling you to collaborate with us. It is by your choice. Of course, it's my choice. I know. But I'm checking if you are scamming me or not. If you are convinced that we are the real Fenty, we can proceed with the process. Your prompt reply will be appreciated. I said, okay. Hi, send me the contract. Let's have a look. And I'll tell you whether I want to collaborate or not. I didn't just say yes, because I don't want to get myself locked into anything. I don't want that. It happened to me before when I did some modeling and they took photos and I was locked in for 12 months, paying them a whole sum of £1,000 and something pounds. Like, I lost that money. For photos, suppose they did create a website. They didn't get me any jobs. Anyway, if you're interested in that, have a look. Here you go. I got it for you. So their response already is like, this is just automated. I don't think it's even them. I don't know what this is, but it's contract form and agreement. Upon confirming your interest to proceed with the contract agreement. I didn't confirm. If you had read my response, I said, let me have a look and then I will let you know whether I want to collaborate or not. Their response is, we kindly request your thorough examination of the enclosed. Kindly return the agreement form as filled as soon as possible. My full name, my email, my address, my phone number, whether I want TikTok or Instagram. They're also telling me which way I would like to be paid. What's the payment options? There's Cash App, PayPal, Zelle, Venmo. I've never heard of those last two. So basically, I'm just giving you all my information. Important note, okay? Please ensure that all information provided is accurate and authentic. Well, I'm going to give you fake information, as it will be used for the purpose of processing your compensation payment. We advise you to double check the details to avoid any discrepancies. I want your information and I want it correct. Don't give me anything that isn't right. And then attached is the contract. I haven't even clicked on it. I'm too scared. Like, you'll have all my details. What's in that contract? They say curiosity killed the cat. I don't know. Leave it in the comments. Like, has this happened to you? What is going on? Why are there so many scammers? Okay, I know some of us fall for it. But like, I'm done. Now, because I'm a bit of a fool and I'm hoping that this is real, I DM'd Fenty on Instagram on the 1st of July. No response. No one replied. If this is them, they are so on it to respond, yet Fenty hasn't responded. Not once. Today is the 3rd of September. August, September, 2 months later, I've had no response. Here you go. I'll show you what I DM'd them. No response for 2 months. I don't think they've even looked at it. Yet this email, they're responding like within hours. I'm getting a response. It's not them. It's not them, is it? There's no point for me to even look at their contract. Sorry, it's actually the 4th of September, not the 3rd. So guys, watch out for these scammers. This email address was Fenty something at gmail.com. Most scammers, for some reason, use Gmail. Why, I don't know, but this is what's happening. Please be warned, if you've got an email from supposedly Fenty Beauty, it's not them. Don't fall for it. Don't give them your information. Don't give them too much. $4,000 would be great a month, but you're a scam and you're lying to me. I don't know how or where or when I'm ever going to see that money, but it's just not happening. If you're going to pay me that much, you know, the pool is there. Like, I want it, but I don't, because I won't actually have this money. They're not going to pay you. So be careful. If you have any tips on what's happened to you, please drop them in the comments. Help us creators and influencers, and even those that are just starting out. You need to know this is what's happening. Thanks, Riri, for nothing. I thought Rihanna was talking to me, but it's never going to be her, is it? It's going to be her PR manager or someone who does the work for her. I still love you though. Of course, Rihanna. Pon de Re, I was with you in those days. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not hit that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching Curls by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out. Cheers.